Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nazuri. I am 15 years old and I attend the Bermuda Institute. I want to say thank you to everyone who has paid for me to go to the trip. And one thing that I've took from that is that Singapore, it is a very honest and careful place. Like someone can just lay down like in the park, and no one would like touch them or try and steal anything from them. That's what I've learned. And also in Bermuda Institute, I am a new student and I have 2 leadership roles in that. I am a class pastor and I'm a prefect in training. Thank you very much.